Hello there. Up to now, I'm very comfortable about this country, about our training. And I'm a totally amateur, but I learn a lot and I really appreciate what I learned here. We have a professional and patient head coach. We have lovely assistant coaches, and although our players are not that good, but they are, patient enough to treat them. And I hope our players will improve and appreciate this opportunity.
Hello everyone, my name is Shirley. I'm one of the leader of this team, and we are coming from Beijing Sports University. We really appreciate that we have this opportunity to come here, to have training here. Everything is perfect, especially our colleagues are kind, our coaches are professional, and everything is perfect. So in the end, we love Slovenia and we love Klein. Thank you.
The coaching staff is very pleased how the players are developing. They are learning their technical part as well as tactical part. They still have a long way to go, but we are sure that our program will get them there.
Dear friends from Beijing Sports University, we are very pleased that you choose us to cooperate, to develop your athletes and your students. We gave all the best support we could get. We hope that we're going to continue our cooperation in the years that are coming and to see you soon.